Hello there. This video will provide you with the ultimate guide on how you can use the Fotmob app like I'm using on my phone right now. This video will be sequenced into 6 categories, including their timestamps, and it'll give you a really good idea on how you can use the app. Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can follow teams. So right now I'm following a couple teams right now, and these are the teams that I watch. But if you want to follow a new team that you haven't, you have to go right over here on matches and you have to just search up the team. So if I want to follow, I guess, PSG, right, Paris Saint-Germain, and I want to follow them, right. Once I follow them, I can see all their news and everything. It'll be displayed there. I'm going to show you another tutorial, and yeah, you can check who played, who got a penalty. Let's say we're gonna check Mbappe's stats, right? He came substitute 51 minute, right? We can just click on him and we can just see his entire stats, and we can just see his stats of obviously year and then 2022 2023. Now I'm going to show you how you guys can follow your favorite league. So essentially go in your leagues right here, and if you want to follow a certain league, let's say I want to follow maybe the Bundesliga right here. I can click on this, I can follow, and when I follow, every single game will be displayed on my matches, like this one right here. So I believe at the time I'm recording this, there will be a Champions League qualification game, and I've already followed the Champions League right over here, so I'll get all of the updates related to this. Yeah, so that's essentially it. Now I'm going to show you how you guys can check your transfers. So if you want to check your recent transfers, you have to go on more, and you have to go on transfer center, and here you can see all the recent transfers that have happened. But you can filter it out, and let's just say if I want, maybe I clear it all and I want it to be only from the Premier League, I select it right here, and here you can see all the recent transfers happening in the Premier League, which is pretty interesting. So if you want to do a more specific one, I just say if you want to search your club, you can go on transfers, you can see the recent transfers for a specific club, and that's what you essentially do. If you want to check news, you have to click on news right here, and you can check the latest news. So obviously you have to follow a certain league for you guys to see all this news. So I'll follow all the English leagues, so I can see all the news of all the leagues that's happening. Let's say Brighton and all that, Manchester United and all that. And if you want to go more specific and you want to search per like the only one league, you can go League 2 probably, I'm guessing. I'm putting this as an example, and you can look at all the news that is related to League 2, and that's actually it. You guys have to follow a certain league in order for you to actually view it. I mean, it's a lot more convenient if you do so. If you go on Premier League right over here, and let's just say it's only more accurate, so I'll probably go on 2022-2023 season. There's something called short and full. Short just shows you all the points and the goal difference. But if you want to be more specific and more, into that statistics sort of phase, you have to go over here and go full. But then you can go over here and you can check on home records. I think Southampton has one of the worst home records, and if you check away records, so then Nottingham Forest is one of the worst away records. So yeah, that's essentially it. The easiest thing for you to do is you can check all live matches. So there's sort of a clock icon right over here, so you have to click on it and you can check all the games that are happening right now as we speak. So I can see there's some AFC Champions League qualification happening. There's a Bulgaria second professional league, and there's a lot more relegation, Bayern, all this. But yeah, that's essentially it. Thank you for watching.